replacing the bar and chain. With the chain brake in the locked position, making sure the battery is removed. Using the included tool inside the rear handle of the chainsaw, completely loosen the 2 bolts that hold the bar and chain in place. Remove the cover. Remove the bar and chain by loosening the chain tension using the included tool. Please note that the chain may be hot if recently used. Using a brush or towel, wipe away any debris that might be clogging the surface area. Attach the new chain to the bar, ensuring it is properly installed by following the icon on the cover or the bar itself. Ensure you have the correct bar and chain. Call Greenworks customer service at 1-888-90-WORKS or visit greenworkstools.com. Place the new bar and chain in place and tension the chain using the included tool. Place the cover back on and tighten the bolts using the included tool. It's recommended that you run your chainsaw for a few seconds to allow for the new chain to be lubricated.